Welcome to the Regex cheat sheet. This video covers patterns, quantifiers, groups, look-ahead, and real-world examples. Regular expressions work in almost every programming language, so these patterns are universal. Let us start with basic patterns. A dot matches any character except new line. The caret matches the start of a string, and the $sign matches the end. Use a backslash to escape special characters when you need to match them literally. Character classes match specific sets of characters. Square brackets define a custom set. Use ranges like A to Z for letters or 0 to 9 for digits. A caret inside the brackets negates the set, matching everything except those characters. Shorthand classes save you from writing character ranges. \D matches any digit and \W matches any word character. \S matches whitespace including spaces, tabs, and new lines. The uppercase versions match the opposite of each shorthand. Quantifiers control how many times a pattern repeats. Star means 0 or more, plus means 1 or more, and question mark means 0 or 1. Curly braces let you specify exact counts like 3 or a range like 2 to 4. By default, quantifiers are greedy and grab as much text as possible. Adding a question mark after the quantifier makes it lazy, grabbing as little as possible. This matters when matching HTML tags or quoted strings where greedy matching goes too far. Parentheses create capture groups that save matched text for later use. A back reference like \1 refers back to the first group. Non-capturing groups with !:: match text without saving it. Use the pipe symbol for alternation to match one pattern or another. Named groups make your regex more readable. Use angle brackets with a name after the question mark to label your groups. For example, a date pattern can capture year, month, and day as named groups. This makes your code self-documenting and easier to maintain. Lookahead checks what follows a match without consuming characters. Positive lookahead matches when followed by a pattern. Negative lookahead matches when not followed. Lookbehind works the same way but checks what comes before. Note that not all engines support lookbehind. Flags change how the regex engine behaves. The G flag finds all matches instead of stopping at the first one. The I flag makes matching case insensitive. The M flag makes caret and $match line boundaries instead of string boundaries. Here are the most common real-world regex patterns. Email validation checks for text, an @ and a domain. URL patterns match HTTP or HTTPS followed by the domain. IP address patterns match 4 groups of 1 to 3 digits separated by dots. Every language has slightly different regex syntax. JavaScript uses forward slashes with flags at the end. Python uses raw strings with the re module. Rust requires the regex crate and uses the regex new constructor. The patterns themselves are the same across languages. Regex is perfect for cleaning up whitespace in text. Use \S+ to match all whitespace sequences. Combine \S+ with \S+ using a pipe to trim leading and trailing spaces. Replace multiple spaces with a single space using \S2 or more. The HTML tag pattern uses a back reference to match opening and closing tags. The password strength pattern uses multiple positive lookaheads to require at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, and one digit. These patterns combine several regex features into practical solutions. Phone number patterns handle optional country codes and different separators like dashes, dots, and spaces. Date validation checks for valid month ranges from 01 to 12 and day ranges from 01 to 31. These patterns use non-capturing groups and alternation for flexible matching. Here are quick tips for working with regex. Always test your patterns at regex101.com before using them in code. Start simple and add complexity gradually. Use named groups for readability and add comments to complex patterns so others can understand them. Avoid these common regex mistakes. Forgetting to escape dots means they match any character instead of a literal dot. Greedy matching by default grabs too much text. Do not build complex email validators with regex. Just check for an @ and send a verification email. That wraps up the regex cheat sheet. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more developer content. See you in the next video.